everybody, my name is Katrina and I am the owner and face behind Peanut and Poppet. Today I wanted to talk to you about our brand new hire kits. So this is everything you get, plus a roll of disposable liners. And this is an amazing way to try cloth. It's a £15 hire kit. You get to try all of these nappies and everything included for 3 weeks before posting them back to us. And you can see what works for you before buying your own stash of cloth nappies. The first thing included is a roll of disposable liners. They are basically a paper rectangle and you can pop them inside the nappy to catch any solids. If your baby is weaning, it's especially helpful. The next thing we have is a pack of little lamb wipes. These are made from bamboo. They are super soft. You'll need one wipe like this for each nappy change. The next thing we've included is a wet bag. These are great for when you're out and about, perfect for storing like your dry and wet nappies. Now the cool thing about this one is it's a convertible handle. So the Crackerdax wet bag has popper loops here. This means you can hook it onto a pushchair or something to keep everything nice and organised. But this one also has an extra handle which I will attach now. So that's the handle attached, which means that you can pop it over your shoulder while you're out, nice and easy to carry. Now the wet bags that are included in our hire kits do vary, so you may get a Crackerdax wet bag, but you may also get other brands. The next thing we've included in our hire kits is a night nappy system. So what we've included is a nappy that's really easy to use, fairly slim, but great for overnights. So this is a Little Lamb bamboo fitted nappy. It has a Velcro closure at the front, so if you're new to cloth then often that can be an easy feature for you to adjust to because it's very similar to a disposable. Inside the nappy you will find a booster and a fleece liner. The booster is the creamy coloured one, the same colour as the nappy. So inside it just looks like this, which really is quite similar to a disposable. It would go on exactly the same, it's just that it fits a little bit lower, and this needs a wrap which we have also included for you. So the Little Lamb nappy, you can pop your booster in, and then the white piece that comes with it is a really soft and fluffy fleece liner which helps to keep your baby dry all night. So like I say, you will need a cover with this one. We've included the Zigzagor wrap for you. This is a one size cover. We've gone with a Velcro cover in here, exactly the same as the nappy, because again, you might find that an easier system to get used to. This wrap has a stretchy elastic at the back, which helps to give you a nice, comfortable fit. This nappy will fit over the top of the fitted nappy. You'll wrap it round and secure it onto your baby. And that will be your night nappy system all done there for you. The next nappy included is a modern cloth nappy Pearl Pocket. This is an all-in-one nappy. We've included all different types of nappies in here so that you can get a feel for what works best for you. This one looks very much like a disposable inside. So again, an easy system for you to get used to. This one has a popper waist fastening. They have a nice soft back elastic and a pocket at the back, which is where your insert is. So if I just pull that out for you, this is what it looks like. Now this is a hemp insert, so it's got loads and loads of absorbency, but as it's an all-in-one, everything is attached. So that's an all-in-one nappy. And then we've included a all-in-two nappy. This is the Lighthouse Kids switch cover system. Again, it has a popper waist fastening. You get two separate parts with an all-in-two, and that's what makes it an all-in-two. So you have your cover first of all, and these covers, the bits with the prints on, they are your water-resistant layer or waterproof layer depending on the brand. So this is your cover. It's wipe clean, so in between changes with an all-in-two, if the baby hasn't soiled the nappy, you can just remove the insert, wipe this down and place a new insert inside. So that's the way that the all-in-two system works. These have a little popper on the insert, which poppers directly into the cover, or wrap as they're called. Sometimes they're also called shells, so wrap, cover, shell, for the majority of things means the same thing. And if you do need help with all the lingo and stuff, we have a FAQ section and a jargon buster section on the website which will help you. That's the Switch all-in-two system. Then we've included an all-in-one for you again, and this is the Little Love Bum Quick Dry. It has a popper waist fastening, and this one looks like this inside. So it's brown inside, it's got the coffee fibre here. It goes on to baby in one super easy piece. So again, you have a nice stretchy back. This one has a single leg elastic, but these fit like a disposable. So this will be a really simple system for you to get used to if you are coming from disposables. This will not need any tucking in around the legs or anything. This elastic here can sit on the thigh, and it doesn't need any particular special fit to make it work. A great nappy for you as an introduction to cloth nappies. The next nappy we've included is a Crackerdax One Size Fits Most nappy. This is a smaller fitting nappy. So every nappy that we've included is a birth to potty nappy, except for the Little Lambs Fitted, which is a size 1. Again, it's a popper waist fastening. Inside you get two different inserts. You get a smaller insert and a longer insert. You can choose to lay your inserts inside the nappy like so, and just put it on like that with these parts loose, or you can use the pocket at the back of the nappy. So at the back of the nappy here you have this pocket. You can what we call stuff your inserts in here, which just means placing your inserts into the nappy. What I do is pop the insert down the length of my arm, and then you want to go into the pocket, grab it at this end and pull through, and that is your pocket nappy. So now you can see that it looks just like a disposable. Once that insert is in there, it becomes very similar to a disposable and it's very easy to use. Then we've got the Zigzagor Pocket nappy. Again, it has a popper waist fastening, and this one has an insert included. It is a pocket nappy, so you get two different pieces, the cover, and this is the bamboo insert, so you get lots and lots of absorbency from this. And this is a budget nappy, so we've included this one for you. If you are on a budget, you can try a budget nappy out and see how that works for you. They are really lovely nappies. They're really soft inside, and this insert is really soft and really pliable, so it moves with your baby. So just like the Crackerdax, once that is inside, it goes on again just like a disposable. Really easy to use. The last nappy included is another pocket nappy. So again, you've got your popper waist fastening there, and inside are your inserts. This one comes with two inserts. This is a Peppy collection pocket nappy. So you've got your two inserts there. These are a bamboo microfiber mix insert, and they go into, you guessed it, the pocket at the back. That will go on just like a disposable looks yet again. Once the pocket nappies are stuffed, they are so simple to use. They're quite similar to an all-in-one once they're stuffed. The only thing with pockets is obviously you have to stuff them and match up inserts out of the wash, but equally they are more customizable. These are all the nappies we've just run through that we would call the daytime nappies. So you get 6 of those, and then the additional nighttime nappy. That is everything included in our hire kit, and you can get this kit yourself for just £15. If you want to give these a go, you can find them on the Peanut and Poppet website. There are also lots of other bundles for you to have a look at. We also have a free personalised nappy questionnaire, so if you are new to cloth, then you can fill in our questionnaire and we will give you a full plan of everything we recommend for you to start using cloth nappies. I hope you find this super helpful.